trio of healthcare deals today wasn't enough to lift the market overall. The largest medical device maker, Abbott Labs' purchase of St. Jude Medical for $25 billion. That's the largest deal of the day. AbbVie buying a cancer drug startup, and Sanofi making an unsolicited offer for the biotech company Medivation. Meg Tirrell has the details and why there may be more deals to come.
Not bad for a Thursday. 3 deals, or potential deals, totaling more than $40 billion, were announced in the healthcare space, and some wonder if it spells a turnaround for the sector's recent woes.
If you've looked at biotech valuations, they're down 35% off the top in the last 6 to 8 months on political rhetoric that we've talked about. So asset prices have come down and become a lot more attractive.
The biggest healthcare deal of the day, Abbott Laboratories' $25 billion purchase of St. Jude Medical, expanding its offerings of heart devices. Abbott's cardiovascular business and St. Jude together will have revenue of more than $8.5 billion. The company says it's expanding in the area as 40% of American adults are projected to have some form of cardiovascular disease by 2030. And more deals could be in the offing.
I think this is going to trigger a lot more consolidation in the medtech space as companies try to compete with J&J, which has long been the dean of the field, and Medtronic with its Covidien acquisition now is a very broad portfolio. And I think some of the high-quality mid-sized companies are going to be looking for opportunities.
But Abbott Labs' stock fell Thursday, in part over concerns that St. Jude has been losing market share to Medtronic. Abbott wasn't the only company buying today. Its drug company spinout, AbbVie, announced a deal for cancer startup Stemcentrx for about $5.5 billion. Investors in the private biotech are eligible to receive an extra $4 billion if certain milestones are met. And finally, French drug giant Sanofi announced an unsolicited offer for San Francisco biotech company Medivation, worth more than $9 billion. Medivation makes a prostate cancer drug, which drew nearly $2 billion in 2015 revenue. That's split with Medivation's partner, Astellas. Medivation's stock traded above the offer price Thursday, signaling investors think a higher bid may materialize. And according to Credit Suisse, Sanofi may not be the only one interested. They say Celgene, Roche, and AstraZeneca could all potentially take a look. Medivation said it's reviewing the offer. Meanwhile, all of the deal activity gave a little boost to biotech valuations across the board. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.